What's up YouTube? Today I got another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Aer City Sling 3. Um, I got this one because I wanted it and I had the second version, but I seen the third one and I like how it looks, so I ordered it. Hopefully it looks good and keep it. So let's just get a quick unboxing. It's just in a plastic bag. You get the thanks, cool sticker. Just put that to the side and then just open this. So it just goes in this bag. Let's check this out. First time seeing it. It just dropped on this Monday that just passed. I think it was the 10th or something. This is the bag. This is X-PAC version. I haven't had anything X-PAC from them. I do have the Aer City Sling 2. This is the Cordura version. So I'm going to do a little side comparison. And then I'm also going to just transfer everything I have in here and here. See how it looks. This is, I think, 0.5 liters less than this one. This is 2 liters. This is 2.5 or 2.4, and then this one's 2 liters. So it is smaller, which I do prefer. I wanted it, this to me is a little bit too big, but it's fine. But this one is 2, so this one's probably hopefully fits my situation better. So let's just take this off. They did decide to put 2 buckles this time and remove the metal buckle. They used to have this one right here, this buckle right here, and they switched it to these two, which let's see how I feel with that. They also put some padding in the back. This back zipper, nice and spacious. This is my case for the phone that I'm recording with, so let's see if it fits. This is the iPhone, this is the Pro Max version, 15. Fits perfect, without even a problem. Nice, even have a little bit of space. And then of course you have some space in the sides. It's pretty much this whole black like thing right here. The ventilation, that's how big the pocket is. Of course, you have a little gasket right here, so you can hide the zipper when it's raining or so. They have another handle. This one's actually a little bit more. This one's plush. The other 2 version is not plushed at all, as you can see. So that's cool. Nice little handle. Oh. Okay, let's get to the front pockets. It's now 2 pocket, which again I don't know 100% sure how I feel about it, but it looks good like this. But there's 2 pockets. They just switched it to. They switched these to this material from these loud ones. This is cool too though. So it's open, it's double-sided, that way you can wear it any side. Orange, X-PAC always comes with orange. The Cordura is just a gray, and then I think the Ultra version is like a greenish. This is orange, same thing. This is the same one they had in the V2, which is nice. It's a little bit, this one like guitar already, this is a little bit more smaller, but it's also because of that shape. The V2 is a little bit more boxy than this one. So this is nice. I might actually like this double-sided. It takes this off, so it comes with this special edition because it's the X-PAC version, as I said. The X-PAC is just usually more waterproof. That's why people pick this material. Let's just try to remove this. Check out the main compartment right here. The X-PAC and the Ultra do come with these 2 zippers, the Aqua Guard zippers with these 2, and then this one's always like this for all the bags. Orange, bright and orange. I'm not really big of an orange person, but it's inside, so I don't really care. You know, I'm only gonna be the one really seeing it. You have a little flap here, zipper pocket, Sorry. Yeah, 2 flaps here, zipper pocket, 2 little expandable storages, another expandable storage. As you can see, I can see this one's a little bit longer than the most of them. It's like half. It's all right here, and then the stitching's right here, as opposed to these are just half and half. And then, I know the V2 has a slot like here and then here too, which I guess since they're smaller they removed it, which is fine. And then, yeah, we already showed the back. So, as I said, there's no more like buckles right here, little smaller buckles from the V2. It's just this thing and then buckled. They also have a loop here. I don't have a loop here and loop here, so you could, loop whatever you guys want. I'll probably put like my hero clip in there. And I think I did see up. So this is like the only branding that I know of that I've seen as of now. And then you got another loop here. And then this does seem a little bit small / not as long, but I think they have other sizes. They have like an even smaller one and a large size in their website. But let's see the biggest one. Yeah, I think that'll do. Again, some people, I think the buckles are fine. Some people were kind of iffy about it because these kind of went back from the fid lock. and even the X-PAC and the Ultra version have, like, as you can see, the buckles. So yeah, let's put these side to side. This is the Corona version, City Sling 2, and this is the City Sling 3 X-PAC. I'm glad I got the X-PAC. I wanted to get this one, the X-PAC, but I just wasn't too sure. So I pulled the trigger on the X-PAC. This one, I actually really like the way it looks. So let's transfer what I have. See how it fits. So in this pocket, I keep this, and then my keys. When I do have my keys on me, I just throw those in there. You know, nice, perfect contacts. Mint and Brent. Mint. I'm gonna have to get some new ones. About to run out. That fits perfectly. Oh, 2 zippers. Got a question. Let's move to the main compartment. Throw this away. I came with 1, yes sir. Alright, let's close this one up. See if I can stand these up for a little bit. Oh, see, this one kind of, since this is like rectangly, it sits up on itself. This one, as I said, kind of comes up like a mountaintop, so it's not flat at all here. So, you know, it does fall. But I'm pretty sure you have things in there. It wouldn't matter. Plus, you're not really sitting this out the floor like that. So I have this right here. I usually put it in one of these pockets. Oh, fits nice and perfect. That's some dry cologne. Let's put this to the side. This is my sunglasses case. It's like a clip-on thing. Ooh. Okay, so let's keep on going. So I have this right here. This is some floss, eye drops, little brick, and then of course power cable. So let's put that to the side over here. Probably put the little power cable. Let me put the cable this pocket because this pocket's a little bit longer. And then just this, I just had this right there. I didn't really care. Put this one on this. Oh, we can put this right here too. It doesn't really, you know, just fill up the bottom. Yeah, this fits in the bottom nice. And then I think that's all I have in there. Then I have these. This is like a little stand for the phone, MagSafe stand, as you can see. Show you real quick. There you go. You put the phone on here. Let me show you real quick. There you go. And then you just, yeah, watch your shit on there. And usually I had this one like in the back right here, nice and flat. This is a little hand massager, you know, for aches and pains. And then I had my 2 pens in here. Okay, so I know they changed the tag. Oh, yep. The tag is the same material as these little things right here. Pretty much like this one if you have the V2, this material. And then, so it's because they did, oh no, nice. They didn't put stitching. Only they put stitching at the bottom, so that means I could do what I did here, which put my pens in here, so you guys didn't know. It's a cool little thing right there. Put your pens. I usually have one, but this one I got this one. They gifted it to me, so now I just leave it in there. But yup, fits nice and perfect. 2 of them might not fit because this one does look like it's a tighter fit. You can fit 2, but I wouldn't want to. You can fit 2, but I wouldn't want to fit both of them in, especially since, as I said, this one's like this material, like this material, so it's like a little bit rubberized and stretch, and if it stretches out, then it's gonna be stretch. But yep, as you can see, this is the X-PAC version, Cordura, and then yeah, this material is new for all the bags. Let's put this pen to the side. In the back, I don't really have anything. I think work ID. Let's close that up. And again, they also have another little flap here. This one's open compared to this one. This one was actually kind of concealed, as you can see, and with a little flat thing. And this one is not. This one's just open, but it doesn't really matter because it's going to be against your body. And then again, a little cover thing for the waterproofing. 2 zippers like the other one. Nice and zippery. There we go. And then let me just take off this hero clip. As I said, I have a hero clip here. Then it's kind of, there we go. And then I'll probably, I mean, you can either put it on here, but it's kind of just weird right there. But as I said, 2 clips right here, nice. So you can just clip it on there, nice and easy. You know, maybe clip a water bottle to something, or hang a water bottle from there, hang something from there. But it's nice to have those because why not? And it's convenient if you do need to use it. Tried it on. I really like how it fits. I mean, it fits everything I wanted to fit, which is nice. There's a zipper. actually close that up. And yeah, so I'm definitely gonna keep the bag. I really like how they updated compared to this one. Could definitely gonna move my pen to this one over here. As you can see, if you have any questions about the differences, what materials I prefer, if any questions, concerns, leave down in the comments. Try my best to reply. That's pretty much the video. Thank you for watching. This is a quick unboxing and a small, quick comparison. Just trying to, show you guys what fits, what not fits, what I put in there. And yeah, thank you. Peace.